Hello, this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. In front of us is a 1994 Ford F-150. Has the XLT package. It's the super cab with the long bed. So half-ton truck, four-wheel drive, has the 5.0 fuel-injected V8 automatic transmission. Automatic hubs, so you can shift in and out of four-wheel drive anytime you want it. It's a two-owner truck. It's lived in Oregon its whole life. Last changed hands in 2015, or 2005. I don't know how that slipped out, but 2005, so 17 years with the second owner. And this is an original paint truck. Everything but the hood. I think it probably had some rock chips where they did just a repaint on, because I see a few fish eyes. Also, the paint meter shows me that as well. So the nice thing about a paint meter, you know, this is a clean auto check, but if you damage your vehicle, don't report it to the police and or your insurance agent. You just take it into a body shop and get repaired. It's never going to show up. But basically anything under 4.5 is factory. Paint meter readings always go down throughout the years. Just the sun will take some of that away. Some of the clear coat, as well as buffing, etc. So the nice thing about having an original painted truck is it lets you know a lot of information right from the get-go. Is A, it's been really well kept, which is the kind of vehicle you want to buy. It's never been damaged. You're not dealing with, you know, problems with wheels, tires, door shutting, stuff like that. It also lets you know that there's no rust anywhere. There's been no Bondo. There's nothing lurking underneath the factory paint. So it really just means it's a clean, clear truck. So here's the hood. You're going to see that be above that just barely. Usually repaints are in the 7 to 9s. That's a 4 or 5. But, you know, with the rest of it being 3.8, lets me know that something's going on. And then under really close examination, like there's one little blemish right there, a little fisheye, just with the clearing of the clear coat. But, you know, well done. And then as you saw down here, you know that's no collision because you're sitting 3.3 just below it. So that's all factory. So I'm saying that was done just for beautification. Nothing wrong with that. And there's that cowl again, 3.9. So they didn't even blend the paint over into the cowl. They just redid just the hood there. So I'll finish this up and then we'll keep going. But this is the spots where you're going to see any sort of rust repair down low, and it's all well below the 4.0 level. And with factory paint, this stuff looks like it's been touched up a little bit. So there's some scratches that have been touched up. So be aware of that if you're shipping this truck in long distance. There's a few filled scratches there. But you got a receiver on there. It's wired, so if you want to pull, you can do it. Really low miles on this truck. I don't even think I mentioned that. Yet 60,000 miles, just a tick over 60. So that is the long bed. 8 foot. It's got a bed liner in it. Really nice tires. Lots of tread there. Dual fuel tanks. XLT gives you the power windows, power doors. Power windows. I don't know why that's still dinging with the key out, but it is. Like, open up this engine bay, and then we're going to start it up, take it for a run. You can see how nice that door starts or shuts. So you got the classic square body truck, but you do have that fuel injection, which is nice, so no more carburation. It's a nice 5.0 power brakes, discs up front, fuel injection, so elevation no longer an issue. Coming out of Idaho, it's going to run just as well at sea level or anywhere you're at. We're at 5,200 feet or so. See back there all those factory TIG weld marks. Again, just let you know that nothing's ever been, this car's never been smashed up and then put back together. Oops. Of course, being too gentle, it still is just a truck. Now the hood's shut. So 94 is still before the time they got the third door in there. So that's a good look at those really clean factory weld marks. So you've got the rear seat. You just have to slide in. There is no opening door, rear door on either side, but great place to store dogs, gear, backpacks, etc. Dome light works, just gorgeous headliner, uncracked dash. Seat does have a few little spots that are just gonna be tough to get out of there. That's like a sapper, something on there, but kind of that classic 90s gray seat. Beautiful carpet. Door cards are nice. So if you're looking just for just a clean, honest, square body truck, 2 owners, just a tick over 60,000 miles. Hard to see doing better than this one right here. That's your 4-wheel drive. You just have to pull on that and activate it. No hubs to pull. So power windows all work. Wipers. Dash lights illuminate. Sorry, that angle is just bad, but that's your brights, turn signal indicators, AC is blowing cold, defrost, so all your HVAC systems are in great working shape and condition. Still kind of a chilly early spring day here. So brakes work, no issues. Reverse is fine. So there's a look with some sunshine on it. The 94 Ford F-150 Super Cab XLT 4x4 long bed 5.0 fuel injected V8 automatic transmission, just over, pardon me, 60,000 miles. So this is Shep here at the Sun Valley Auto Club. We ship worldwide, all over the United States, and we got an airport right behind me. Has a couple flights in a day. So give me a shout at 208-721 and let me know what we need to do to get this truck into your possession. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.